My name is Oke Nwadinigwe. I'm a project manager at Milestone Infrastructure. As a project manager, my responsibility on the project is, making sure that the project is built as per what we tendered for, making sure that all stakeholders in the project are informed of any changes that is happening, making sure they understand where we are on the project, making sure also the program, we're building the program, we're on time. That's the key thing, making sure we are not exceeding the budget the client has set out for the project. I think these are the key things that I need to monitor to make sure that the project is delivered on time and successful as well. At the moment, I'm working on what we call sustainable transportation, which is it's called the Milton Road project, which is a cycleway improvement. It encompasses having the bus lane, having double, where the cycleway, where cyclists will drive through, making sure that pedestrians walkways are also incorporated as part of the scheme as well. That's the key project I'm working on now. I went to university, I had a civil engineering degree, I had a master's as well in construction management. And obviously I've built up, I started off with as a graduate, built up experience, and over the years I've worked my way up to where I am at the moment. So for you to be a good project manager, you need to build that skill, you need to build that skill from inception, maybe as a graduate or as a trainee or as an apprentice, and then build it up to a level where you'll be able to master. Obviously, the key thing as being a project manager is making sure that you bring everything together in one piece. That's the key thing. My proudest achievement with Milestone at the moment is we've worked about 200,000 man working hours without any reportable accident. I think it's a very, bearing in mind that I joined last year with the business, and the project I've been on, with the challenges that we have on the project, not having any reportable accident, on the project is a very key. If you take a look at, working on a built environment where you have loads of services, gas, and we haven't reported any reportable, I think that's a very big milestone for me. Yeah. You don't necessarily need to go to the university for you to be a civil engineer. There are other routes you can achieve you can achieve being a civil engineer. There are apprentices, people go through apprenticeship scheme. In Milestone, for example, we have apprentices who are working for us and also gearing. They have a day off where they go to their colleges and obviously acquire the classroom side of it and also the on-site. So they're killing, it's like, the way I look at it is that they're having two benefits at the same time. So they have the site experience, and as well they're having the classroom experience. And also there are the others. I think the apprenticeship scheme and the university route is there. So whichever way anyone wants to follow, I think it's it's always welcome.